Hi friends, welcome to my channel Cloud TV. In this channel, I am creating videos on different technologies. Please subscribe to my channel to get more technology videos whenever I prepare it. Please click on bell button to get notification. Let me minimize this recording window. Okay. So last few videos we saw what is RDD transformation, how we can use it. In this video, I am going to discuss about RDD actions. So action operation is the one which returns value to the driver program after computation on the RDD. Okay, so I create a example with a few RDD actions. Let us go through that. Okay, so I created a simple program to demonstrate few of the actions. Okay, one is reduce, another one is a collect, third one is count, and the fourth one is first, and last is the take. Okay, so let's go through one by one. Sorry about my voice. I'm having a cold. Okay, so basically, I created a Spark session. Okay, so as we do in the earlier program also. So I set the log level as error. Okay, so I'm using the same input files as we used in the previous program. Okay, so it has three files, right? So one has two words, Adobe Spark, and another file has four words, Adobe Spark, and the third file has again two words, six words, which is Adobe Spark repeated. Okay, so these are being loaded, and I got the words RDD. Okay, to just show you how many number of partition it has. Because of it has three files, so three different files getting created as a three different partitions. Okay, so that's what I am listing here. You get a 3 as a number of partition in the RDD words RDD. Okay, I will again run and show you the program, but I just have the already executed the program. I just showing the output whenever I explain each line of program. Okay, so this is one part. I have words RDD which contains all the words from three different files. Okay, so then I created one more RDD. Okay, which contains number 1 to 10. Okay, so this will return a sequence of numbers 1 to 10. Okay, so with that I am creating a RDD. So to create a RDD from the normal Scala object, we need to use the parallelize function to create a RDD, new RDD. So which will return a numbers RDD with the three partitions. You can specify how many number of partitions you want to have it for your data set. Okay, so there are two RDDs for taking as an input for this program. One is words RDD, which will contain a set of words. It also has three partitions, and another is the numbers RDD, which contains 1 to 10 number and does again three partitions. So first action I want to use is reduce. So reduce function, it's like we used in a MapReduce world also, right? So it's a reduce function where you do the aggregation. Similarly, what does reduce function does is it's a action type. Does is aggregates all the elements of the RDD using the function we pass. What is the function we pass? We ask the function to sum up the values. Okay, so which takes two arguments and returns one. So basically, we are telling take each value and sum up, add up. So once you add this, and you can Actions will return the value to the driver program, right? So just I'm creating a result variable. I'm just printing it. So if you sum up number 1 to 10, you will get 55 years. So this can be written in simplified way, like reduce of underscore plus underscore, which each value you just summing up, adding up. So both line of code will return the same value. So there is no different. It's just a simplicity purpose. We can do. We can try it like this. Okay. So next action is the collect. So almost all the program we used to collect, but I did not explain it in detail. So basically, what collect does is returns all the elements of the RDD as a array at the driver program. So in the previous program also, every transformation we do collect edges to see the value, right? So that's what collect does. It returns all the values as array to the driver program. This is useful after filter or other operation that returns a significantly small subset of data. Basically, when you use collect, you should be very careful, because if you have a RDD of a gigabyte of data, so you should not apply collect, because that will uh, crash your driver session. Okay, so basically you get memory out of exception. Okay, so whenever you have a small subset of data, then you can use the collect method. What it does is it gives you array of values, right? Then I use the for each function to iterate each value and print it. So when you use that, so basically I'm printing all the values for the words RDD. That's what it does. Okay, so next action type is next action operation is count. Count is similar like other other programming we use count. It just returns the number of elements in the RDD. So if you use count on length on normal list, you get number of elements in the list. Right? Similarly, when you use count action, it will return number of elements in the RDD. It's very simple. And this next one is the first. There is a action function called first. Okay, what it does is it returns the first elements of the RDD. Okay, so if you have a RDD of multiple values, it just returns the first value. So the count I just got 12, the previous action. So when you use first, you get a first word in the RDD, which is hello. Okay, just simple. The last action type is a take. Okay, so basically take is useful whenever you want to take only subset of data from the big data set. Okay, what does this returns the array with the first n elements of the RDD. So whenever you say take of 3, so this word RDD has 12 elements, right? From that 3 elements it will take and return as a array. Then you know, when you get an array, you just to iterate, you can use the for each function to iterate and print it. Okay, so that's what it is, printing 3 elements from the RDD. Okay, so I hope this this actions is you can understand. It's very simple only. So let me run this program and show you. So this is for take of 3. This is for first. And we saw count as 12, and all the using collect, we are actually taking all the values from the RDD, and using the reduce function, we are summing up in the values the RDD. Okay, thank you very much, friends. So in the next video, I will explain to you about explain you about data frame. Okay, in the Spark, and why we need a data frame. All the information I'll give you in the next video. Thank you so much for supporting me. Please subscribe my channel to get more technology videos, and please post your feedback. If you have any queries, question, you can write it down by comment section of the each video. Thank you so much, friends.